The SALUS mobile app is available to both Android and iPhone users. Designed specifically for the field-level worker, SALUS puts the power of digital safety right in your hands no matter where you are on a job site. Whether you're submitting safety forms, assigning or receiving corrective actions, or accessing digital certificates, keeping your site safe and compliant has never been easier with SALUS. Let's see it in action with SALUS, step by step. Assigned roles in SALUS are customizable and determine what a user can see and do in the mobile app. For the purpose of this video, we'll show you what the typical worker view of SALUS Mobile looks like, but you'll find that the foreman view and the admin view will look slightly different as they have greater permissions to access data and manage site workflows. When workers access SALUS Mobile, their interface will default to the Forms tab, which is the most commonly used feature. Here, workers can access a list of all their company's safety forms that they can fill out at any time. After opening the form, you can select the site it's applied to and input the required details. There's no need to worry about losing your progress on a form because drafts save automatically, which allow you to revisit them at any time by accessing the Drafts tab, with the Submitted tab also available to you if you want to view and manage the forms you've previously signed or submitted. Collaborate with other workers in real time by sharing the form with them, which allows them to edit and sign the forms from their own device. As workers fill in their forms and conduct work on site, they may flag and assign actions as they come across them in forms or through notifications. This is all captured in the inbox of an assigned worker, which brings actions to their attention. The communication of actions and the required remediation that's handled via notifications are also linked in the action's primary record, so there's a trail that tracks and shows how the action is being addressed, ensuring the loop can be closed when the action is complete. Check in and out of site either manually or automatically by signing a form or having the site geotag you. In the foreman view, you can also access a list of workers on site in real time to give you an accurate head count in case of emergency or evacuation. Navigate to My Toolkit, where workers can view and manage their profile details with important information such as emergency contacts captured here. For foremen, you can view site-specific information by navigating to the site dashboard for any of the sites you have access to. Here you can view forms, documents, headcount, and other important information specific to that site. Access and manage your certificates, which serves as a digital wallet when out on site. Access a full list of company assets in this area. Review vital information around its maintenance and history with all the forms and logs belonging to the asset accessible here too. Documents are uploaded to the platform as PDFs, images, or videos that are also available to workers in My Toolkit, with read or write access granted as required. Examples of typical documents include things like safe work procedures, safety data sheets, and occupational health and safety policies. As you can see, SALUS Mobile is a powerful tool workers can use anytime, anywhere to view site-specific information, submit forms, create and manage actions and notifications, upload certificates, and access documents and asset information easily. With SALUS, workers have never been better equipped to streamline their on-site safety workflows, which gives them more time to focus on what matters most, to make their sites a safer place to work.